Introducing the GMKtec M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC, a compact powerhouse designed for both work and play. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With its AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor and 32GB DDR4 RAM, this mini PC is built to handle your most demanding tasks. Whether you're gaming, working from home, or handling complex design projects, the M5 Plus delivers top-tier performance. The Ryzen 7 5825U processor is a serious upgrade, delivering up to 4.5 GHz performance, with 8 cores and 16 threads for outstanding speed and responsiveness. Compared to the previous generation, the M5 Plus offers a 35% performance increase, making it perfect for intensive applications and multitasking. Paired with 32GB of DDR4 RAM, you'll have ample memory for everything from gaming to professional tasks, and if you need even more power, this system can be expanded up to 64GB of RAM. For storage, the GMKtec M5 Plus comes with a 1TB PCIe SSD that provides lightning-fast read and write speeds. This SSD is also expandable, giving you the option to upgrade to a 4TB SSD, which is perfect for large files, games, and applications that require a lot of space. With the fast SSD, your system will boot up quickly, and load times for games or software will be drastically reduced, giving you a smooth and seamless experience. When it comes to network speeds, the Dual NIC LAN 2.5G RJ45 offers up to 2,500 megabits per second data transmission, ensuring you stay connected with high-speed internet for gaming, streaming, or work. Whether you're playing multiplayer games or conducting a video conference, you can rely on a fast, lag-free connection, making this system perfect for both professional and gaming environments. The M5 Plus also supports triple 4K display, allowing you to connect up to 3 monitors simultaneously. This is an excellent feature for anyone needing extra screen real estate for work or play. Whether you're editing 4K videos, managing multiple tasks, or gaming, the ability to output to 3 4K displays at 60 Hz ensures clarity and an immersive experience. For wireless connectivity, the GMKtec M5 Plus comes with Wi-Fi 6E for faster, lower latency connections, supporting 2.5G, 5G, and 6G bands. This makes it ideal for high-speed internet browsing and video streaming. The system also features Bluetooth 5.2, allowing for quicker connections with wireless devices like headsets, keyboards, and mice. The GMKtec M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC comes with a 1-year limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind in case of any defects or issues. You'll have access to professional customer support to assist you with any problems you encounter. With all these powerful features packed into a compact design, this mini PC offers great value for anyone looking for performance, versatility, and reliability. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your computing experience with the GMKtec M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC.